अल्लू अर्जुन, रश्मिका मंदाना पुष्पा 2 की रिलीज के लिए तैयार हैं और उन्होंने मुंबई में पुष्पा 2 कार्यक्रम में भाग लिया। अभिनेताओं ने पुष्पा फ्रेंचाइजी के साथ 5 साल की यात्रा को प्रतिबिंबित किया और दर्शकों का मनोरंजन करने के लिए कुछ उग्र संवाद भी दिए। पुष्पा द रूल 5 दिसंबर को बड़े पर्दे पर रिलीज होने के लिए पूरी तरह तैयार है। देखिए हमारे चैनल A7 फास्ट न्यूज पर।
इस बार वाइल्ड फायर है मैं। I would like to thank, most importantly, my actors. There is no way I could have performed without my artist support. I'd like to thank a phenomenal actor, Mr. Fafa. We call him Fafa, Mr. Fahad Fazil Garu. I would like to thank Fahad Fazil Garu for doing this film. He's a hero himself, but still, for the love of the film, for the love he has for Sukumar Garu, he came and played an antagonist in this film. And you will all witness what a phenomenal actor he is, you know, on this December 1st worldwide. Thank you, my dear Fafa. Thank you, my brother. And thank you, Dancing Queen, you know, Sri Leela. She's a Telugu girl. She's from my hometown. And she's a phenomenal dancer. I think the entire country and the world will witness how this girl can dance. And I wish her all the best. And of course, my most special, my Srivalli. You know, last 4 years, I have only been working with one actress, and that is none other than Rashmika. You know, we have become almost like family. I'm so comfortable with her. I want to take 2 minutes and thank her for everything that she's done for this film. Her support is immense. There is no way this film is complete without Srivalli's support. And me and my director, Sukumar Garu, have like so much admiration for her, you know, because we keep shooting every day and she comes once in a while, and whenever she comes, you know, those days are so pleasant, and when she leaves we like, are such a sweet girl, she's brought in so much beautiful positive energy. You know, these are the kind of girls we want to work with. You know, these are the kind of girls who will brighten up the room. You know, the world needs more like, you know, the world needs more girls like these. In a day where we all, you know, complain, oh, the girls are like this today, like that today, when we're all complaining, she's the kind of girl where you can say there are even girls like this who make a world a beautiful place. Thank you, Rush. Thank you. I can't show my love more than this. Thank you so much. You made me so comfortable to perform. There's no way I could have performed this way if not for your comfort and respect and love. Thank you, my dear. Thank you. Thank you, my dear fans. I love my fans. You know, they're like my family. They fight for me. They stand by me. They celebrate me. You know, they stand for me like an army, and that's why, you know, on a sweet note, I always call them my army. Thank you, my army. I love you all. I love you all. I will make you all proud. I will make you all proud. If this film becomes a big hit, I will dedicate this film to all my fans. That is my aim.
पहले तो कहाँ से शुरू करूँ मैं? Okay. First, I'll start off from, I think, the first shot you asked me about. I remember the first shot was, you know, in Pushpa 1 Srivalli's song, there's this paper, this thing I do, and I'm pouring that milk and all of that. I think that was the first day, and I was so nervous meeting Allu Arjun sir for the first day. I was like, ayyo, now how do I react to sir? Okay, sir, like he's been a superstar for such a long time, so I was like, okay, now I don't know how to react, I don't know how to behave and all of that, but that was the first day, that was the first interaction. But today, standing here in front of sir, just his family, his home, so the 5 years journey has been so different with a lot of emotional ride, I should say. But today here we are, and he's always going to be super special. So
you've met these eminent journalists, you know, a couple of times, of course, in the past too. Yes. But when you are standing here for Pushpa 2, The Rule, after 16 December 2021, that was the first time you'd come here, and we welcomed you. So now, how does it feel, you know?
A lot's changed, that's for sure. लेकिन जब भी ना मैं फिल्म शूट के लिए आ रही थी मुंबई के लिए, I used to just be asked one question कि when is Pushpa 2 releasing? And today with all of my heart and all of my confidence and all of my excitement, I can proudly announce that we're finally coming to you on December 5th.
कौन सी एक चीज है रश्मिका इस फिल्म की, इस 5 साल की जर्नी की, that will always stay with you?
There's 5 years journey is, you can't say it in one word, you can't say it in one phrase or sentence. Lekin this, like 7 years of my journey as an actor, 5 years being with Pushpa is home. And now when we're done with the film, I actually don't know how to react to it because I'm very, very sad that it's ended, but I'm very, very excited that it's finally coming out. So I'm a little overwhelmed with a lot of emotions, but yeah, I'm hoping that I get to work with the team many more times.
This December 5th, hope to see you in theaters. पुष्पा नाम सुन के फ्लावर समझे क्या, फायर समझे क्या, इस बार वाइल्ड फायर है मैं. See you on December 5th in the theaters. Thank you, India. Thank you so much for all your love. Thank you to all the Indians and Pushpa fans worldwide. Thank you.